always interested in growing the weird stuff or the unusual stuff, and the Australian finger lime was no exception. It's a variety of lime that grows in these elongated shapes, kind of like fingers, and even the leaves look different. Here is a different citrus tree right next to it. The leaves are definitely smaller. I have mine in a container since it's still so young, and I can't decide where I want to put it, so it's hanging out with my other citrus trees in containers for now. Their blooms are also really pretty and kind of pinkish. It's too bad that there isn't one open right now. I got this tree a little over a year ago, so I am pleased that it's already bearing fruit, but it was also hard to find when I got it, but it is now seemingly more available. So if you've heard of this variety of lime but have had a hard time finding one, they're definitely out there now. I've been seeing them at nurseries all over. I am going to go ahead and pick one and open it up so we can see what it looks like inside. Another name for the Australian finger lime is caviar lime, and you'll see why in a second. So it looks like a classic lime on the inside, although much smaller, but if you start to squeeze them, these little globules come out, and that's where the juice is. So you can see why it's also called caviar lime. And it probably is best to just squeeze them into your water or whatever you're using the lime for, because when you keep slicing it, more globules will just pop out and then it gets a little messy. You may think this might not be a very functional lime, but I still think it's cool, and if you like putting citrus in water like me, I think it could be fun to drink with little flavor explosions in each sip. And speaking of the flavor, some people have said that this type of lime tastes a little bitter, but I didn't notice any bitterness. To me, it just tasted like a conventional lime. But there you have it, Australian finger lime. Definitely give it a try if you're interested in growing something unusual.